Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're checking out the Fitbit Inspire 3 Health and Fitness Tracker, a sleek and lightweight wearable designed to help you stay on top of your health and fitness every day. One of the standout features is 24/7 heart rate monitoring, which tracks your heart rate continuously and helps estimate calories burned, workout intensity, and overall fitness performance. It also provides alerts if your heart rate goes unusually high or low. The tracker also includes advanced sleep tracking, automatically monitoring your sleep stages like light, deep, and REM sleep, then giving you a sleep score to help you understand your sleep quality and improve your rest. Another useful feature is the stress management score, which analyzes heart rate variability and activity patterns to help you understand your stress levels. It even includes guided breathing and mindfulness sessions to help you relax. For fitness lovers, the device tracks daily activity, workout intensity, and active zone minutes, helping you understand how hard your body is working during exercise and encouraging you to stay active throughout the day. The Inspire 3 also features a bright color AMOLED touchscreen, smart notifications for calls and messages, and a battery life of up to 10 days, so you won't have to charge it constantly. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it safe for swimming and everyday use. It comes with both small and large bands included, ensuring a comfortable fit for different wrist sizes while maintaining a slim and stylish design you can wear all day and even while sleeping. Overall, the Fitbit Inspire 3 Health and Fitness Tracker is a reliable and beginner-friendly fitness tracker that combines health monitoring, activity tracking, and long battery life in a compact and comfortable design. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.